just focus on the Meibomian gland assessment. The Meibomian gland assessment could vary from simple slit lamp technique to more sophisticated and advanced and expensive technology. So one of the most common technique is the Meibomian gland expressibility. Mapography is another technique, interferometry, and assessing also the lid and blink margin. Okay, I will focus on the expressibility firstly. Now, based on the expressibility results, Meibomian gland dysfunction can be classified into different grades. So grade 1, whereas the Meibomian glands are minimally altered by expressibility and secretion quality. Stage 2, where there is mildly altered expressibility and secretion quality, and the highest stage, which is stage 4, where the Meibomian gland is severely altered by expressibility and there's abnormal secretion quality. Also, another technique to assess the Meibomian gland function is by assessing the quality and of the Meibomian gland itself using a non-contact mapography. And the non-contact mapography, which use infrared, and the device is either mounted on slit lamp or on corneal topography. It assesses the Meibomian gland toxicity and completeness and assess any areas of dropout. So this area here is a loss of Meibomian gland, and this area called Meibomian gland dropout. There's also a grading for dropout or area of loss, 0 degree, which is normal. Degree 1, there's more than 25% of the Meibomian glands are lost. And in grade 4, there's more than 75% of the Meibomian gland loss, which is in severe Meibomian gland dysfunction. Another sophisticated technique to assess Meibomian gland, also using in vivo confocal microscopy, which is known as IVCM. In the IVCM, it is mainly used to assess the acini of the Meibomian glands, and it's a less common technique due to the high expense of the technique. And in many papers, structural differences between Meibomian glands in lens wearers and non-lens wearers were reported using the IVCM. And also the IVCM can be used to assess the lipid layer itself, its thickness, and its quality. Another technique also to assess Meibomian gland dysfunction is by assessing the eyelid margin and the changes in the lid margin that includes increased vascularity, increase or plugging of the gland orifices, pounding of the gland orifices, and presence of any keratinization in the lid margin.